Hello friends, I welcome you to today's class. So you'll be leveraging an hard software to run ordinal reliability, and I believe you are conversant with the concept of ordinal reliability. You use to test the reliability, yes, for ordinal items, of course, ordinal scales. So it's used to run test reliability of ordinal scale items. So I want to show you how you can run the reliability using R. So what you have to do, we need some packages. Yes, need some packages. Now the data I want to use is in Excel and the CSV file. So that means the file format is very important to take note of the file format. That can also determine the packages you need to run your analysis. And I also will be using psych. Yes, psych package also for the analysis. So if you don't have the packages, so what you have to do is to, yes, like this, install packages, like press enter, because I already have the package, so I don't have to install it. So press enter, it will install the package. And the other one, this is the second package you also need. If you don't have the packages, follow the process, just copy it, paste it, and press enter. Automatically it will install. And if you refer to one of the past videos I made, I said it is always good to know the name of the package. So that will save your time. You just install that packages that follow the process, and it makes, yes, it makes the process faster. So if you have installed it, the next thing you have to load the library. So to load the psych library, just library psych, press enter. So the same thing you can do to load the reader library. To load the reader library, tab it at library, the names, and press enter. So after done that, so the next thing is to import your data set, and the name of the data set which I've saved in the directory is the student underscore risk. Yeah, that's the name. And take note of the name, it's very important. So what I have to do is to import that data set into the R environment. Can paste. So this is data that read. The essence of this is to import the data into the R environment. Can you see that? Press it, and you want to check maybe the first row of the data, your data set to be sure. Press head data. Do that. Press enter. Can you see that? If you want to check the structure, STR, what do you do? Data. And press enter. So it will confirm. So the next thing you have to do, you can also decide to check the summary of the data. Press summary, enter. Of each of the item, we have 35 items. Can you see that? So you can see the summary of each of it. Minimum one. You can see the first quarter, here first quarter, median, mean, third quarter, maximums. So this is the summary. So we can proceed onward within. So the next thing you have to do, you can check for. So if necessary, you can convert the responses to factors ordinal scale. You are not sure. So how do you do that? So let's copy and let's paste the code. How do you do that? So make use of this code so make use of this code. Press enter to achieve the purpose. So that is if necessary to convert your responses to factor. That means ordinal scale. Now you need to take note that ordinal scale, when you talk about ordinal alpha reliability, it works with polychoric correlation matrix. Please take note of this. Yes, it requires polychoric correlation as input. So what you have to do, you need to ask her to do the computation for you, making use of this code. You can make use of this code to, yes, ask her to compute the polychoric correlation for you. Okay, press enter. So the next thing you have to do, what we're trying to do is to compute the ordinal variability. So the next thing you have to do is to do what? You can view the results. You can make use of this code to print the results. Print, press enter. So can you see that? So this is the result of the ordinal reliability. Now take note, I made mention of polychoric correlation. No, yes, this is the alpha work. So this is the result. So can you see 0.88? This is how to calculate ordinal alpha reliability in R. So if you are here to subscribe to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, and also you can hit the bell so that you can get alert for our subsequent upload. Thank you for watching.